Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to separate your personal page on your business page. So for example, this is going to be my account, right? This is going to be my dummy Google account. Now you need to log into the page you're trying to separate or segregate. As you can see right here, I have two accounts. I have the personal and the page right there, completely separated. Now if I open the page right there and I want to add a separate one, I can just basically click on the settings right here on the left side. And once in here looking for page setup, so be right there, and click on page access. So what we're doing right now is we're adding some more access to our page. So there are two options here. You can add people with Facebook access or people with task access. Also community managers. So those are three different things. So if you want to add someone who has access, basically click on add new, or this one right here, you can basically remove the access on your original account. So for this one, if you want to add a new one, basically you need to add a new access, a new phone, a new account, a new email under this account. Now once that's successfully added, basically log it in and accept the invite. Now you have three separate Facebook page, Facebook personal page, and a Facebook account moving forward. Just add this one right there and you'll be good to go. It's going to be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.